let's have a look at my TWA hotel room. Pretty cool. They're playing all the Fly, Fly Away old TWA commercial. Curved hallways. Place to set your drink. And here we are. It's not huge on space or amenities, but it is beautiful. Bar of soap. Dispensers in the shower, big, but quite nice. Cocktail area. Ooh, even a martini glass. That's gotta be a first for a hotel I've stayed at. Little mini bar which is empty, don't know why. And then here's the main room. Somebody called me on that phone. And here we have the beautifully designed old TWA terminal. And if we peek around the corner here, we can see the TWA Constellation, which also serves as a bar and lounge. I'll be checking that out soon. Look at the rest of the room. The bed, big, grand view, cool old 60s style lighting fixture, and beautiful flashy New York poster, artfully designed chair, very sculptured, flowing. And here, as opposed to a table or a desk, you've got a work console. And there's me. Excited to be here. Lots of pictures coming up of this really cool place. Bye.
Hey, well, I hope you liked this video and that you found it informative. So do me a favor, hey, like, share, and subscribe, and then there'll be more. Thanks all. Bye.